In this video, I answer the question of how long should your videos be? Now, if we've never met, my name is Stephen Coney of Stephen Knows Marketing, and I help insurance agents build a trusted brand using video. So if you haven't already, please consider liking, following, or subscribing. Now, I decided to make a video covering this topic because it's one of the questions that's been asked a lot this past week. So I felt like it was necessary for me to make a video pertaining to the topic. So like I said, the age-old question is always, how long should the video be? Should it be a minute long, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? It's a barrage of different lengths as far as how long the video should be. And to be honest, the answer might surprise you. It all depends. So granted, Facebook video might pertain better or perform better if it's maybe a minute or 2 minutes long, but I've watched plenty of videos, and you may feel the same way, that you've watched plenty of videos that were 5 minutes or maybe even longer. Yes, on YouTube, people tend to spend more time on YouTube, so a longer video might perform better on YouTube, but again, I say the same thing. It all depends on the content. It all depends on the value that you give to the viewer. So if you've already noticed that when it comes to these videos, or when it comes to movies are getting longer and longer and longer. And we as viewers, us as the audience, don't really mind too much about the videos being longer or the movies being longer, as long as we're entertained. So as long as you provide value, as long as you give, as long as you keep the viewer or your audience entertained, the video can be as long as you possibly want. But also too, if you want to be punchy, if you want to get straight to the point, if you want to deliver value as quickly as possible, then you can deliver within a minute or 2 minutes for a video, and that is completely fine. So for your YouTube channel or for your Facebook page, you're just going to have to experiment and see exactly what works best for you and your page or your channel. If you was to take a look at some of my videos, I have 1 minute, 2 minute videos that did very well, but I also have 9-minute videos that have done well as well also. So you just have to experiment and see exactly which topics fare better when it comes to shorter length video, and which topics fare as far as long-winded videos. So, but as long as you deliver to your audience exactly what they're asking for, exactly what they react to, and what they find as entertaining, then there is no right or wrong answer. Short videos are great, long videos are great. Whatever works, just deliver whatever your audience is asking for, as far as for you delivering value to your customers and to your audience. A question of the day: so do you find yourself being more gravitated towards shorter videos or long videos? Type long or short in the comments below. I'd love to hear you guys have to say. Until next time, my next online video, I'll see you guys around. Take care.